Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle you've probably heard whispers about, something that's reshaping what it means to camp on the go. The 2025 Suzuki Tricycle King Camper. Yes, you heard that right. It's a trike, it's a camper, it's an adventure machine, and I'm here to unpack every detail with you. Picture this: a smooth morning breeze, a winding countryside road, and no suitcase to lug, just you, your gear, and the freedom of the open road. That's the promise the new Tricycle King Camper brings. Suzuki took their best-selling tricycle platform, the nimble, agile, reliable foundation, and transformed it into a camping marvel. Let's start with appearance. At first glance, it's unmistakably Suzuki: a clean, purposeful front end, dual LED headlights that flash clarity and style, and a chassis that whispers confidence. But as your eyes drift back, you notice the camper conversion, a thoughtfully designed rear compartment that balances form and function. It's compact yet purposeful, and Suzuki engineers managed this transformation without compromising stability. That trike wheelbase is wider, and the rear axle extends just enough to offer camping gear without wobble. Inside, the magic happens. Slide open the back hatch, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious interior. Not cavernous, mind you, but intelligently packed. There's storage cabinets lining both sides, wardrobe space on one side, kitchen essentials on the other. Countertop space spans across for quick meal prep, and that countertop cleverly flips down into a mini dining table or workstation. Lighting is thoughtful: adjustable LED strips, USB ports, outlets, with a 12V socket and a 120V AC inverter option, and even a small fan for ventilation. The sleeping arrangement? Two options: the lower bed platform comfortably fits one adult or two kids on a thick yet lightweight foam mattress, cleverly stored flat when not in use. Above that, a pop-up roof adds headroom and a full-sized fold-out mattress, making for a cozy sleeping nook that's easy to access when that roof panel lifts. The mechanism is manual but smooth, with gas struts doing the heavy lifting, and locks ensuring stability on the move. Camp cooking is no afterthought. Suzuki offers an attachable kitchenette that slides out beneath the hatch. It includes a 2-burner propane stove, a stainless steel sink with a hand-pumped faucet, tank included underneath, and storage drawers for pots, pans, and utensils. Even a mini fridge module fits in neatly, though it's offered as an optional extra. And when it's time to wash up? That fold-out faucet doubles as an outdoor shower. Just pop on the 12-foot hose, hang it from the rear hatch, and rinse under open sky. Living on the road also means climate control. Standard is a 12V rooftop fan, but add the optional portable electric heater, and you've got cozy insulation plus a small diesel heater tucked inside. Sweet dreams await even when the temperature